I just received this compact laundry dryer. This dryer easily plugs into a standard 110 outlet. The installation process of the dryer vent is extremely easy. First, you want to attach the 90-degree elbow, then you put the clamp on the dryer vent hose and attach it to the elbow. Then you'll screw on the clamp to tighten it down. As you can see, the dryer vent exhaust hose is extremely flexible and can also extend and collapse. The dryer works great on any flat surface, or you can use these brackets to hang it on a wall. Using the knob, you can turn it to hot, cool, or air dry and set the time. The button next to the knob will control whether it's on high or low heat. At only 35.3 pounds, this dryer includes a see-through door and a stainless steel barrel. This makes it really easy to move, especially if you're in a dorm or a small apartment. This will hold up to 9 pounds of wet clothes, reaching temperatures of 140 degrees, ensuring quick drying. Once turned on, this unit is very quiet. I would highly recommend this unit to anyone in the market for something that is small and compact yet still gets the job done.